Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Now switch on to the C exercise page number 16. Now here collective nouns is there. Collective nouns, to a group we had given the name like herd of cattle, crowd of people. Now here first sentence, a dash of thieves, a gang of thieves. Number 2, dash of geese, giggle of geese. Now 6 more sentences are there. Do yourself and I will be within 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes over. Check your answers. Dash of clothes. A bundle of clothes. A bouquet of flowers. Number 5. Bunch of grapes. Number 6. Swarm of locusts. Number 7. Crowd of people. Number 8. A horde of barbarians. Hello students. Now see exercise D, page number 16. Identify the nouns in the following sentences, then write if they are proper common noun, collective noun or abstract noun. Write the full spelling, don't write P, C, C, O, N, A. If proper noun is there, write down proper noun, full spelling, don't write only P. Now you are knowing what is the proper noun. First only I had explained you. Now in the sentences you had to find out what's a proper noun, common noun, abstract noun and collective noun. Number 1, hard work never goes waste. Now your work, abstract noun, waste, abstract noun. Number 2, there is no shortcut to success. Shortcut, common noun, success, abstract noun. Number 3, police, collective noun. Have caught the criminal. Criminal, common noun. Number 4, the committee has prepared the petition. Committee, collective noun. Petition, common noun. Number 5th, Emperor Vikramaditya was a great patron of the arts. Emperor, common noun. Vikramaditya, proper noun. Patron, common noun. Arts, abstract noun. Number 6, the cattle are grazing in the field. Cattle, collective noun. Field, common noun. Number 7, she sent me a bouquet of flowers. Bouquet, collective noun. Flowers, common noun. Number 8, Hyderabad is the capital of the newly formed state of Telangana. Hyderabad, proper noun. State, common noun. Telangana, proper noun. Faith can create miracles. Faith, abstract noun. Miracle, abstract noun. Now exercise E. You have to underline over the material noun. Material means that a thing from that we are making something. Now see, for example, cloth. Cloth is there. Now from cloth we can make many things like shirt, pant, frock, t-shirt, jeans. So cloth is a material noun. Now rubber. Suppose rubber is a material noun. From rubber also you can make many things. For example, tires. From the rubbers you can make the tires. Eraser also. So this way the thing made from a thing we are making the products, that is known as a material noun. Now see the first sentence. Gold is a good conductor of heat. So here gold is a material noun. Number 2, jute is one of the cheapest natural fibers. So jute is also the material and fibers are also the material. Now see students, 4 sentences are there. Do the 4 sentences within 5 minutes. I will be back. 5 minutes over, students. Now check your answers. Number 3, paper. Paper, material noun. Number 4, plastic, material noun. Number 5, rubber, material noun. Number 6, clay, material noun. Now see the exercise F. Write the plural form of the following compound nouns. Now first you will understand what is the meaning of the compound noun. Compound noun means joining the two or more words. Now see, for example, common words we can make noun plus noun also, adjective plus noun also, noun plus verb also, and verb plus adverb also. Now see, for example, adjective plus noun. Now see, noun, suppose frock is a common noun. Now suppose I am going to say red frock. So red, it tells you the frock. What is the color of the frock? Red. So red is an adjective and frock is a noun. So this way, joining the two words, red, frock, so adjective and noun. Now second example I am going to give you, toothbrush. Tooth means our teeth, and brush, daily morning we are doing brushing our teeth with the brush, so that, so toothbrush. This way, joining the two words, making the compound words. Now you had to make in the plural form. Now first is passer-by, so it will be passers by. Number 2, lady birds. Number 3, water tanks. Number 4, printer carriages. Number 5, washing machines. And number 6, daughters in law. Now turn the page number 18 and exercise G. Choose the correct noun to complete the sentences. Here students, brackets are given, and from the bracket you have to choose the correct answer. See, they are buying. Now here subject is plural, so you are going to write down furniture. They are buying furniture for their new house. Number 2, this railway track is used for goods train. Number 3, I have no further information regarding her arrival. Number 4, he is an older than his brother by 2.5 years. Number 5, she lost her bunch of keys in the train yesterday. The accident was seen by many passers by. Number 7, he has 7 sons-in-law. Number 8, the 2 former chiefs of staff are attending the meeting. So this way students, we had completed our first lesson, noun, with explanation and exercise. All the exercise you should do in your notebook and send it by tomorrow on the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.